This is a call for the motocrossers. Oh yeah, come on. Wake up call, dude.
Damn, it feels good to be a gangster. A real gangster type player plays his cards right. A real gangster type player never runs his mouth.
The usual naughties, you know, messing with optimism with everybody.
We decided to get all Tiger Woods.
Real gangster type players don't flex that. Cause real gangster like players
practice our golf swings, you know how we do.
The allegation that you have been compared to Snooki from Jersey Shore, what do you have to say from that?
What the?
My name is Pastor Moses or Pastor Watson. I help troubled youth and gang members. I'm an ex-gang member out of the city of Compton. I used to gangbang for 17 years, and I'm here for the community. I'm not here for myself. The street gospel, baby, Jesus is Lord. Matter of fact, one of my songs goes, my all stand tall by any means, the genes justified by the truth through Christ the King, cause he's supreme to things. As he reigns, loosely change with change, as we scream his name, not for fame or money, the game is filled with dummies. This LA soul, just so platinum gold. When he made me, homie, yeah, he broke the mold to be bold with my lips, to grip your soul, with the gospel of peace, motivating your feet.
We went to Milestone. I remember riding for a while, having a good time.
What up, everybody?
Which is kind of crazy because, like, looking back, it's like, damn, we were having all this fun, and then all of a sudden, just like that.
Case of triple over the bars.
Gnarly.
Mine was like, yeah, into the face, bruh. Case. I don't even know what you'd call it. Just a crash, I guess, happened.
We got to the hospital, and I was trying to walk in with the camera. Dude's like, "What are you doing?"
You can't bring that in without admin approving it first.
Oh, really?
Woke up in the hospital. That's kind of when I went, like, I was conscious. Broken femur, collarbone, sternum, collapsed the bottom of my lungs.
Right now, they have a pulley system with a weight that keeps his leg separated because the bone's broke on the femur like this, so they have to pull it away.
I personally hate hospitals right now, but when it comes down to my bone being here to get offered, gotta be here. Gotta support.
Tell us about your mom.
She's the first crashes I've had, like broken backs and stuff. She's kind of tripping on it. And, oh, I don't want you to ride anymore. But now it's like I've broken, so many bones. She's just kind of something else. We just got to get through it. Come back stronger. She's sticking by my side this whole way, helping me. I appreciate it a lot. She's done everything. Waking up at 3 in the morning because I say my leg hurts.
How you feeling, Jay?
Pretty sore right now. I guess you wouldn't really say sore, but broke.
Do you remember the crash?
No.
Do you remember at the track Lobster made out with a chick?
Really?
No, hell no.
Yeah, they brought me a sick cat. It's like a cat balloon. Scott Sipkovic sent me a big thing of popcorn. It's pretty stoked on that. Yeah.
So this is it. You've done the hospital thing. You've been to surgery. You're gonna go home, rehabilitate.
Surgery went well, so everything should heal, and I'll be back. I was on drugs for like 3 weeks.
You were strung out?
Dude, I was. Not even gonna lie. I'm so thankful for everybody's behind me and just, supporting me through all this. And I'll be back, and that's for sure. Next few nationals, just killing it. I'm alive.
Yeah.